Hello, it's Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to use the app Melodist, where you can turn your pictures into like sweet little songs, like you hear right now at the beginning of this video. So it's called Melodist, so let's go to Melodist, let's open it.
Melodist.
And open it.
Melodist. BTN open photo.
And it says, so there's going to be a few of these, you're going to see, it says BTN open photo, and there's open photo. You can click any of those, so I'm just going to click open photo.
Open photo. BTN camera. Button.
And you can pick BTN camera, or you can,
BTN photos. Button.
it says BTN photo, so BTN camera does exactly, you can take a picture with your camera. And photos, you can pick from one of your photos, so let's take a picture.
BTN camera. Button. BTN
Let's take a picture.
Automatic. Button.
Turn it. Cheese. No, I'm just kidding. There you go.
Retake.
Now
Button.
you can retake it, or
Use photo.
you can use it. And you click it,
Use photo. Melodizing.
and it should play a song any second.
Slow.
So you got that playing, and while you're listening on the app, it's going to be on repeat. So it's going to continue playing, even if you go and you can have it in the background where you're using other apps. But if you close the app or go to play music or whatever, it's going to automatically turn off. So let's see what's here.
Slow.
Slow.
33%.
It's at 33%. You can adjust the speed. I haven't found this to really work with voiceover. So I haven't really found that part to work with voiceover.
BTN back. Button.
That's the back button. So you can click that to go back to your photos. If you haven't clicked that button in a while, like for example, if you want to go back, you have to double tap it, and then you have to double tap it again for it to actually work. I don't know why, but this app is pretty accessible. There's just a few things you have to work around.
BTN timer.
Timer, you can set a timer. I think like a sleep timer, but I also haven't found that with voiceover that it works, so I'm gonna also skip this one.
BTN setting. Button.
Setting, I'm gonna show you this one. So you click it,
BTN setting.
but just like the regular one, you want to click it twice, the other one.
BTN setting.
And I tap in the middle of the screen.
Sound meditation. Button. Sound space. Sound K. Sound guard. Sounds. Page 3. Crystal clear. Water. P. A tier selected.
Alright,
Button.
so this shows,
A wave. A roll. Button.
these are the
animations.
animations, I can say.
Settings.
Animations. So
A roll. Button. A wave. Button. A tier selected. Button.
So those are the different animations you can choose from. I don't really care which one because I can't see it. And then it'll say the buttons. That's what you want to click on. But after, it'll show the ones it just read.
Piano roll. Water ripple. Crystal clear. Page 3 of 3.
Those don't really work.
Adjustable.
This page, it says page 3 of 3. That one, you can adjust the animations. Like, I'm on the third one. So that's why it says selected on the third one. So if I go to page 2,
Page 2 of 3.
and I go back, I'll show you.
Water ripple. Piano. A there. A wave select. A roll.
So it says
A wave selected.
A wave selected. That's the second one.
Water crystal clear. Page 2 of
I
3.
went to page 3.
3 of 3. Sounds.
And these are the
Sound
sounds.
garden. Button.
It's Sound Garden,
Sound garden. Sound cave.
Sound Cave,
space.
and Sound Space. I think it's on Sound Garden right now, but
Sound.
Let's see.
Zen. Ice cave. Deep space. Meditation. Fairyland. Page 5 of 5. Adjustable. Fairyland. Meditate. Deep. Zen. Sound fairyland selected.
it's on Fairyland right now. So I like the
Zen garden.
first
Ice
one.
cave. Deep meditation. Fairyland. Page 5.
So you can
5.
click on either
Adjustable.
one. I'm gonna show you. So
Deep ice cave. Zen garden. Sound fairyland selected.
it's on Fairyland. So
Sound meditation.
you can go to meditation,
Sound meditation selected.
and it switches the sound.
Sound fairyland.
Go to Fairyland
Sound
again.
fairyland selected. Zen
And
deep meditation. Fairyland. Page 5 of 5.
I like to adjust it by the pages. So there's 5 options. I'm on the last one. That's why it says page 5 of 5. So we can control them by swiping down.
Page 4 of 5. Page 3 of 5. of 5.
I think that one's cool. My favorite is this one.
Page 1
It's
of
the
5.
garden.
Deep ice Zen garden. Ice deep mid fair page supports.
And that's the settings screen.
BTN rate button.
You can write the app,
BTN share app. Button.
share app,
BTN feedback.
feedback,
Rate us. Share. Feedback. Slow.
and again it shows it after the buttons. And there's extra ones you can purchase, although I haven't found out how to purchase the other sounds yet.
33%. Fast.
That's the same slow, fast thing. I haven't found that to work.
More apps. Button.
More apps. I guess that shows other apps by the developer.
BTN close. Button.
So this is what you want to do. It's
back.
always going to show the BTN back button, but when you're in something like this, if there's a BTN close,
BTN close.
you want to click
BTN
that.
close. BTN close.
And it closes out of that tab, and then you can just, you have to tap, like, kind
Slow.
of get out of that area.
Fat BTN cap B. Fat BTN back.
So it's closed out of that, so
BTN time.
it's out of the settings.
BTN export.
So
BTN
the last tab I'm
export.
going to show you is the export tab. So you can double tap. Since I was already using the buttons to go to settings and stuff, I just have to double tap it once,
BTN export.
and then you tap it in the middle of the screen,
BTN export audio. Button.
and it says
Export and share.
export and share. So
BTN export audio.
BTN export audio is if you want it. Sorry for the background noise, but BTN export audio is where you can just import audio, and it takes really quick to import. It's just a simple audio file. So
As an audio file.
that also says an audio file, tells you what it is.
BTN export video.
BTN export video, that's where the animations are for. So if you pick a certain animation, however long the clip is for audio, or the video one, it'll play along with the video. So it'll play with a little animation. The video I found takes longer to upload. So let's do the audio.
BTN export audio. Button.
You click that,
BTN export audio. Dimmed. Export and share.
and you see it goes away really quick. So that's because I didn't have to click the button twice because of what before. So if you just tap in the middle of the screen,
As an audio file.
you'll see as an audio
BTN
file.
export video. Button.
So BTN export video, you can click that to do a video. You can click either one, whatever one you want. But you'll have to wait a little longer before you tap to figure out where the button is. And it will say BTN export share next to the audio.
As an audio file. Export and share.
So
As an audio
I
file.
find this sometimes where it says it skips the BTN share button, so I have to double tap the audio
As an audio file.
and then swipe left.
BTN export share.
That works. So you can click that, and it's back into your regular share sheet.
Image.
It's back into your regular share sheet, and you can share it with all your social media apps and all that stuff, whatever's in your share sheet, whatever works. Alright, so I'm gonna hit cancel,
Cancel. Button.
and that's really all
Export and share.
that you can do with this, that I want to show you with this app. I can put the link to the app in the description if you want, and if you have any other ideas, like any suggestions of what tutorials you want me to do next, or what apps you think I should play next, or show you how to use next, a tutorial on how to use it, or a demonstration of the app, just leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This app's called Melodist. I think it's $1.99 in the App Store. I'm not sure. It's either more or less. I'm not sure the exact price. But yeah. So if you have any suggestions for other apps I should show you how to use, if they're voiceover accessible, then just tell me and I can show you. Alright. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.